Okay, so first episode. I'm Cody, I'm the cameraman. I'm normally behind the camera, but for some reason I've decided to be in front of it. Long story short, been looking for a four-wheel drive, bought a 2007 Ranger, and let's just get one thing clear from the start here. I have no idea what I'm doing whatsoever. So I thought, working on this, and if I want to do something, I'm going to try and do it myself. It might be entertaining for you guys. We'll give you a little tour of this and tell you what we kind of plan on doing, and we'll kind of go from there. Nothing too fancy done to it. It's had all the basic engine maintenance done for a vehicle over 250,000 clicks. At the front here, we've got the beautiful Aura Feel light bar. Puts out a nice purple light when you're driving along and just collects a bit of water there in case you need extra supply while camping. Old mate has replaced the bumper, but we don't really need that considering we'll be putting an ARB bar on it pretty shortly. You can kind of see up in the corner, that's about the only piece of rust we've got. Other than that, it's pretty clean. The chassis is all pretty good, so we're lucked out there. Around the back here, we've got our aftermarket alley tray on here. These are our nice slicks, probably not the best for a four-wheel drive. So he's cut the headboard off just to finish that P-plate look, and other than that, it's pretty boring. We do have a tow hitch, which is good, so we can be snatched out like this. So yeah, that's pretty handy. The doors don't really have much in them. The whole car doesn't really. Everything's manual. It's like proper farm spec. We've got manual windows. We've got manual shifting for the transfer case. The actual gear shifter, the bush is just dead. That's gonna need to be fixed. And like the aircon, none of the dials work. So at least it's stuck on cold. About the only thing that we did get was some King's Deluxe seat covers. So that's a plus, I guess. Gotta look on the bright sides. Nothing a debadging can't fix. I mean, honestly, I'd probably take the Mazda badge at the moment, but anyway, so yeah, it'll do what I want. Over the next few months, we'll try and build it up, do some camping with it, some four-wheel drive, and follow the boys along. This will be our camera car, so it will need a 12-volt setup, bit bigger lift. We've got the bar, as I mentioned, to go on there, and a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, follow along. It should be pretty entertaining to see me try and figure out how to do a few of these things. So yeah, anyway, catch us in the next one. One quick thing I forgot to mention, which is the most advanced part of the vehicle, push to start. Oh. Is that good?